Load your family into the 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, and cruise control. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.